બેવડા
725 kg. Anyway, 700 kg. Anyway, 700 kg. And round, only round, no square, only round. Bottom side 28. Bottom side. No, friend, here no shaking, then work no. ભટકી તમારી પાસે બનાવડાવું મારી પાસે ટાઈમ મારા ઘરે ને મારા મમ્મી તો ઓલાનો ઘોડો બનાવી દે ગુજરાત ચેનલ ફેમિલી કમિંગ નો પાઇપ because his production is 800 kg per day. Because your work is small, here is the production work. Here is the production work. It is the heavy machine. This is heavy 55 kg machine. 55 kg machine. Yeah, but combined.
Yeah. But our people is like. But they are not understand. They are asking only I want to.
I know because you are